welcome back to Mad Father. Today we're gonna continue the gameplay. And yeah, I remember last time we got past the monster below and met up with Victoria, I think. So let's go. Hello there, hello there. Okay. Let's just freaking sleeping in this dark ass dungeon. It's messed up, dude. That ain't sanitary. Let's see what's in here. Dude, it's so fucking dark. Can't see shit. A ladder? Oh shit, I can use that for the attic. Let's save. Let's go. Anything here? Oh, it's dark as shit. Oh shit. Do I really want to go there right now? Hidden passage. Yeah, sure. Anything up here? And oh. Oh shit. It leads us back up. Wait, that's quick access. That's nice. Ah, these fuckers are still here. Who the fuck? Joker? Okay, dude. Let's go to the attic. Do y'all have attics at home? I've never been at a home with attic before, so I don't really have any idea how it's like. So let's go up. We can take the dynamite. Oh, I said fucking gem. I thought we could take the dynamite. There's nothing up here. Oh. Why is it blinking in and out of vision? What's going on? Can I stand on top of it? Is there anything? No. Let me reset the thing. What am I supposed to do here? Maybe look out the window? Nah, that's not it. I'm not really sure what I'm supposed to do. Maybe fit this into the vases? No, it doesn't. A big barrel. What am I supposed to do? I don't know. I thought it'd be obvious up here. What's going on? It's not obvious. Oh my days. Okay, you know what? Let me go back. Let me go back down to the basement. There was something. Okay, move. I didn't check the right side. Accidentally? Oh hell no. Shit. Can I not step on that? Get gross. I don't know what some of them even is. The fuck? Ball. Eyeball. Son, why am I picking that up though? Ooh! Goofy ass laugh. Who the fuck was that? Show yourself. I'll beat the shit out of you. Let me save. Let me go back up. Two eyeball balls? Like, what the fuck am I supposed to do with that? Move, boy. Anything in the attic? Can I do anything with the eyeballs? No. So what do I do? What do I do with the eyeball? What do I do with the eyeball? The eyeball. Hmm. I don't like that. Oh, fuck it, let's go. Hello, dude. Hello, dude. Um. Oh, change the world, my fellow human. I think he was trying to say something. Oh, dude, what you trying to say? What's this? A diary? Could this be Maria's diary? Yeah, sure. Doctor, it has been a year to the day since I came to this mansion. I will never forget that day. Oh, dude, I was poor as fuck. Please, food, food. Oh, is that Dad? Somebody, food, somebody. A bum? Okay, don't call me a bum, you piece of shit. She could be a fine subject with some work. Oh no, that's what it thinks of people, fucking subjects. Yo, it's beautiful to see one so skinny. Come to my house, please. I'll give you clothes and delicious meals. Nom 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 nom. Hamburger. Oh my god, look at me scoffing that shit down. Oh my god, I haven't had food for days. This is a banquet, a meal, a feast. Is that? Yo, that's the green haired dude, I swear. Stay here for a little while. I'll tell my family about you. Family? I have a wife and a girl turning 7. I'm sure they would welcome you. Family? Has she never had a family before? Wait, why do you stick that guy? Why do you stick her with a dying corpse? Oh my days. Is this person like me? Oof. What awful injuries. It must hurt. Perhaps I could do something. What can you do? Are you a nurse? Well. Oh, a skirt won't be enough cloth. But the only cloth I have is... What? What's she gonna do? Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm surprised. He was about to die, but he recovered overnight. It seems he was given excellent treatment. Did you treat him? Yes. How handy. You're exceptionally talented. Please, I couldn't let this go to waste. What's your name? Ah, I... I am... Maria. Maria, An appropriate name. Maria, would you like to be my assistant? Oh, I do not wish to lose you. Please stay with me. Wait, he was a child when he met her, and apparently he's cheating on her? That's what I'm led to believe anyways. Well, will you entrust me with the rest of your life? Yes. I was so happy. So happy you saved me. I was alone, but you needed me. You gave me love. As long as I'm needed, I will stay with you. How would I live without you? I love you, Doctor. Yo, is the Doctor Diddy? Diddy all? Diddy all? Diddy Diddy. I never really knew anything about Maria after all. Maria must really love father too. Fuck. Shit, but does that make it valid? I don't know, man. I don't think that's valid. Yo, little crow, let me save up. Let me get out. I don't know what to do now though. Maybe 2 eyeballs. Eyeball jar. A jar of eyeball. I've also seen the pickle jar. That'd be good. That'd be good. That'd be good. That'd be good. It's like a vocal sting for now. The fuck? That'd be good. That'd be good. Is there anything in here? Ah, this fucking weird ass room again. Maybe we can do something with the dog? No, doesn't seem like it. Eyeball ball now. Anything down here? Still locked. Oof, oof. Chill. They move every time I come in. Not like what the fuck. Pause, pause. The bathroom? Nothing. There's nothing going on. I'm not really sure what's there now, to be honest. Anything in the painting? No, I don't think so. There's nothing going on in the attic though, so I'm really not sure what the fuck I'm supposed to do. Maria? You good? You good, son? Love you to death. Love you to death, kid, but are you good, son? Love you to death, but I've been seeing too much Haskell lately. Haskell, do you know Haskell? What the fuck's that? You see the other room? Let's go there, I guess. Should I be able to enter it? What's going on? Okay. This is creepy. What am I supposed to do? What am I gonna do? You'll know that. Fuck. Oh, oh no, what am I gonna do? I'm in my room. Hello, Mr. Robert. Hello, Mr. Teddy Bear. Teddy. What did I say? Up here, anything up here, anything up here. Hello. Oh, what was that? What was that? Wait, actually, is that a pattern? 1, 2, 3. That might be a code to something, but I'm not really sure. A collection of pots. Pots and pans, pots and pans. What is this? Why can I move that? Why can I fucking move that now? What does that do? What does that make? What does that achieve? I don't know. What is that? Oh, maybe I drop it on the floor? Is something on the pot? Oh my god, that was the fucking solution! This is... Oh, fucking chainsaw. Holy shit. Look at me. What? Nostalgic. What the fuck? I remember father scolding me for playing with this once. Son. Was she a chainsaw wielding maniac? The fuck? Oh my fucking god. Aya! What are you doing swinging with this with the thing around? Sorry. This is no toy. It's a very dangerous tool. Understood? Never play with anything like this again. Sorry, father. I'm glad you're not hurt. It is odd though. I thought this would be somewhere that was out of your reach. Where on earth did you find this, Aya? I'm sorry. I'm sorry, father. Where did she find that? Holy shit. Did someone give it to her? I'm not really about that life. Chainsaw wielding massacre. Oh, what the fuck? Dude. It felt like something grabbed my leg. What the fuck? Yeah, no. Oh shit. Get me the fuck away. Please. Don't drag me, don't drag me, don't drag me. I have so much to live for. Please, I'm just a child, I'm just a child. Please, 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 please. Don't do this, don't do this. Oh my god, oh my god. Who the fuck dragged me? Fucking creep. Get the fuck out of here. Is he, was he? So he went down into the cup and fucking grabbed me. What a piece of shit. Weirdo. You monster. You monster. You monster. How did I take out the chainsaw? Okay, that's... Can I just hold it out? What the fuck? Okay. Look, Maria, I have a chainsaw. Can I use it on you? Was there anything out here? Can I cut these down? Oh, let's go. Okay, let me save first. Let me save. Oh shit. I think that's it for today. I need to go. But I'm pretty sure I'll upload the next part tomorrow or later on. Quite busy right now, but thank you all for watching and see you next time, man.